It's a rock.
No, it's not. Oh, no, it's not. It's going. It's going. Oh my God. Come on, baby.
How far did it go?
Come on, baby. You got it. Tighten up the wheel. Maybe it's not this. Tighten it up. Come here. Let me tighten it up. No, you got some. Go ahead. Yeah, you got some. You got some. What that boy?
Maybe it did get
Oh my God, what happened? No, you got something.
I don't know.
You got something. Grab it by the string if you have to.
I know, but it's not like.
Get.
Here, you want to try?
No, pull the string and he holds the rod for you.
I think it's caught.
No, we're moving.
It's moving. Keep
I
reeling
don't
it.
think so.
Yeah, we're moving.
Reel it in.
I am.
Isn't that weird how long
Oh,
it
yeah,
is?
hold on. Let go for a second.
I think it's caught.
Is it caught?
Is there something?
I feel like it.
Is it caught?
Oh, hold on. I don't want to lean. Wait, can you look? Yeah, you caught some.
Yeah, but how much
Look.
line did that thing?
Yeah, look, you caught something.
Woo!
Pull it up. You caught a flounder. No, you caught a...
Oh my God!
You want to pull it up?
With the little pole. Pick it up. You caught up.
Oh my God!
Oh, look how big that shit is. Woo! Woo!
Oh my God!
Oh, wait, no, you gotta take pictures of that. Oh my God.
My God!
Did you get it on Procare? Did you get it on
Yeah.
Oh
I
my
think so. I
God,
hope
that's
so.
a big one. Yeah, she caught a big one. Oh, this is a lady's boat. I'm sorry.
Yeah, all y'all.
Wow.
Watch how it's done.
That is
All right, is it
so
gonna-
nice. That's a nice fish. What size?
You have to
is that?
kiss it.
You have to kiss it, or we're gonna get bad luck.
Alright, I don't want it to die.
It's not gonna die.
Take it off the hook and throw it in. Wow, that's amazing. You gotta get a picture of it. You got a picture of it?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Nice.
Look at his teeth.
Nice.